All right, let's open another door on this journey. Imagine walking into a room and feeling instantly at ease, like you belong, like someone is genuinely glad you showed up. Dale Carnegie believed that the ability to make people feel welcome and valued isn't just nice manners, it's a core skill for anyone who wants to build trust, loyalty, and real connection. Think about the last time someone greeted you with real enthusiasm, remembered your name, or simply smiled at you in a way that said, "You matter here." These small acts don't just make us feel good in the moment, they stick with us. Carnegie says people will often forget what you say, but they rarely forget how you made them feel. That sense of belonging, of being seen, is powerful. It's the foundation of every strong relationship. What's striking is that you don't have to be a natural extrovert or the life of the party to make this work. Carnegie shares stories of leaders and everyday people who made it a habit to treat everyone, colleagues, friends, even strangers, with genuine attention and respect. They remembered names, noticed details, and listened as if each conversation truly mattered. Over time, these small gestures built enormous goodwill. Let's get practical. A sincere smile, a firm handshake, or just using someone's name in conversation, these are simple but profound ways to say, "I see you." When you take time to learn what matters to someone, whether it's their child's name, their favorite hobby, or a recent achievement, you're sending a clear message. You are not just a face in the crowd. Carnegie urges us to make this a daily practice. At work, greet your team with energy, acknowledge their contributions, and celebrate their wins. At home, show up with full attention for your loved ones. Out in the world, invite people in, include them in the conversation, recognize their efforts, and be the person who notices what others overlook. Of course, there's a flip side. Failing to make people feel welcome can quietly erode relationships. People sense when they're being ignored, when you forget their names or let distractions pull you away. It's not always intentional, but the impact is real. Carnegie's challenge is simple but profound. Every person wants to feel recognized and accepted. When we offer that, even in small ways, we unlock trust, loyalty, and, frankly, a much more enjoyable life for ourselves and those around us. So, as you go about your day, pay attention to the little opportunities. Smile, remember names, show real interest. The culture you create, one conversation at a time, is what people will remember about you. Ready to dig into the art of conversation, how listening and finding shared interests take trust to a whole new level? Let me know if you want to continue.